What's up guys, CJ here. So in this video we are going to go through the portal. I said that this is where the magic happens, and this is really where the magic happens. So the first time when you enter the portal, after you have set up your or linked your Hyperliquid or MT5 account, then come to the portal, you will notice that this link and this link might be dark. If so, just click on them and they will activate and link to your exchange. Now, the first thing that we can have a look at is the scanner section. And why is the scanner section? Is because I've got three different scanners here. Two of them connected to crypto and perps and all of those, and then one, whatever you've got linked on your MT5 account, that will show up on this scanner. Now, at first, when you enter the portal, if you want to start up the scanners, I would suggest starting them up and don't do anything for the next couple of minutes. So depending on your connection and your PC speed, that's depending on how long the scanner is going to take to start up. But it usually takes a minute or two for them to start up and run their scans in the background, and then you can continue working. So I'm going to start up the scans, and once I start up, I will get back to you. Before I do start the scan, however, just look at this. I selected the one scanner and then this screen pops up. Now, I would not run all the scans when you start the scanner at first. Just select one scan. That means that once the scanner is starting up, it's going to run only this scan. And once it's started up, then you can do other scans. Otherwise, it's going to take some time for all these scans to get through all the symbols that it is scanning through. Okay, so after you've given it some time and your scanners is up and running, this is how it's going to look. So this is the one scanner, other one, the next one. So basically what's going on here is I've got bots running in the background, scans running in the background that is looking for certain criteria that I have given them that I'm looking for. The way I'm trading. So certain instances in the market or patterns that I see, I've programmed it to help me look for those patterns in the market. And like I said, I will go deeper into how the scanner works in a later video, but for now, this is the scanners. And one thing that you can note is this pin section. So if you notice something in the scanner and you want to pin it, you can pin it, you can make a note. And then when you come back to the portal, so that's the scanner where we were just now. Now what you can do is you can click, I call it the arcane lens. Now you can see this is the first scanner, the second scanner, and the third scanner. So all the items that I've selected in any of those scanners, they will now appear here on the arcane lens. Okay. Then I've got my Top Gun section. We've got 4 charts now appearing here. What that means is the 4 charts that's top of my selection. So the top 4 charts that I'm looking at whether it's for the day, for the week, it doesn't matter. But the top 4 charts, they are the ones that are displaying here. Now, if you hover over a symbol and you right click, you've got a couple of options here. Slot 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now what this does is if you click slot 1, 2, 3, or 4, it will replace one of these. So if you want to replace him, that's how you do it. The set as asset and add to arcane lens, we will get to this at a later time. But what this means is if I search for another emblem and I want to add it here without going to the scanner, that is when I add it to the arcane lens. But more on that at a later time. And if I want to view any of these, I can just left click on it. The page will open up. Here's our daily 4-hour and the 15-minute chart. Normal candles, Heikin-Ashi candles if you choose to. And what you see on the chart, these are my personal indicator signals that I use on a day-to-day basis. So you can view the charts this way, or you can click on any of these. So you've got quick access to your charts at the flick of a button. So that's that. Then when we come to this red button, this is the Auto March section. So what this does is you can now come in here and you can set an alert. whether it's a price level, whether it's a signal level that you want. These are all my signals that I use, again, on a day-to-day basis. You can set your alerts, you can set the size, and whenever that alert triggers, your trade will then trigger automatically. So just as you have your signals or your strategy or whatever you have on TradingView, so whenever that triggers, it triggers automatically and your order gets executed. Now, in this case, I am not currently using TradingView and their webhook service. As you can see, it is available, or it's not available yet, but it is planned in the not too near future, where you can use your TradingView webhook. But I'll show you in another video why I do not even use TradingView anymore for my charting and for my trading. Because, yeah, you can see these charts are from TradingView, but I'm not using TradingView. And I would have had to pay for a professional plan if I wanted to have a TradingView where I could see 3 charts at once. So you can't do that on a free plan. And you also can't use webhooks on a free plan. And for me, Realmforge is about having everything you want and could need trading-wise at one place. So you don't need an extra TradingView subscription, and you don't need an extra Signal subscription. You don't need an extra automation subscription. All those kind of things. You do not need all those extra stuff because everything is already included. Now that's the auto march section. And this globe here, this is where you have your manual market, not your manual market orders, but your market orders that you execute. I will discuss more on this when we get there. This is now a scanner alert that's going on. I will show you more how this works when we get to the actual trade execution. But yeah, you select here between the accounts that you've set up. I've got the option here where if you select the strike link, what this does is you can read through the information, but what this does is now you can link multiple accounts. So say for instance, I have a Signal and I have a certain account that I link that Signal to. Now, if I want that same trade to execute on my other exchanges as well, I can do that. So I have a main trade that I set, and then whenever that triggers, I want that same trade to execute to the other exchanges, then it will do that. It will execute the trade to those exchanges as well. So that is also a possibility with this one. Then when we move over here, this is just a world map. The different worlds that's on here, the resources that can be mined, the champions that can be found, the chests that can be opened on those worlds, and their different laws. And then on this side, this is what we call the open march position. So what it is doing now is it is now scanning all the accounts that I have linked in the background. It is scanning all of them to see if there are any open positions currently. So this is just going to take a while because it has to scan through all those accounts. Now, I do not have open positions at the moment, but if I did have one, you would have seen it here. And then what you can do, you can manage that position. You have your chart here and you have your open position here. So from here, you can set your stop loss, your take profit, you can move your stop loss, you can manage your complete trade from this section. Again, more on that when we get to the trade execution videos. And then this last button here, if you don't want your account deleted, don't delete it. But so this button will reset your whole account starting from over. Okay guys, so that's it for the portal video. Like I said, we will go more in detail on the open portal and then also the automart section in the next video. Until next time guys, cheers.